This video is going to allow us to solve an oblique triangle where all three sides are given. We're given side A, side B, and side C. So when the information is given in the order of side, 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 we have to use law of cosines. Okay. In this case, because we know all three sides, it really doesn't matter which of these equations we choose. We're going to have three known values and one unknown value. Okay. Because I like the alphabet so much, I'm going to start out with finding angle A first. Okay, so we plug in the values we know. Plug in 5 for A, 8 for B, 12 for C. Same thing here and here, 8 and 12 respectively for B and C. And then we're going to find angle A. Okay, we're going to do a little math, clean things up. So 5 squared is 25. 8 squared plus 12 squared is 208. And then we've got a negative 2 times 8 times 12 is negative 192. Okay. Again, be careful with your order of operations. In order to get cosine of A by itself first, we're going to subtract 208 from both sides. When we do that, we get negative 183 equal to negative 192 times cosine of A. We want to divide both sides by negative 192. And that gives me a decimal 0.953125. Again, the cosine of any angle between 0 and 180 is going to be positive, a value between 0 and 1. Okay, so we're going to use inverse cosine here to find the angle measure. Use a scientific calculator, and the measure for angle A is going to be 17.61 degrees. Again, we can solve for angle B or angle C here. It really doesn't matter, but I'm going to continue to go in alphabetical order. So we're going to find angle B next. So we're going to use the second equation here in the law of cosines. Okay. So I know side B is 8. I know side A is 5. I know side C is 12. I'm going to plug in 5 for A here again and 12 here for C again. And my unknown is angle B. Okay, we need to do some calculations, clean this up a little bit. 8 squared is 64. 5 squared plus 12 squared is 169. When I multiply these three together, I get negative 120 times cosine of B. I'm going to subtract 169 from both sides. That gives me negative 105 equal to negative 120 times cosine of B. I want to divide by negative 120 to get cosine B by itself. Okay, and then I have to use the inverse cosine of this ratio, 0.875, to find the measure of angle B, which simplifies to 28.96 degrees. Okay, 28.96 degrees. Now that I know angle B is 28.96 degrees, I can find angle C. I know angle A, I know angle B, I can find angle C. All right, so A is 17.61 degrees, B is 28.96 degrees, and C is our unknown. Solve for C, and we get 133.43 degrees. Okay. Notice again, side C is the largest side, so angle C should be the largest angle. Side A is the smallest side, so angle A should be the smallest angle. And then B would fall in line next.